Double click and all the websites you need on your default browser will be opened. Need to learn the tricks? Let's start. On desktop, create a new text file. And I'm naming it as my sites. When opened, type @echo of. Type start and the site full URL with HTTPS. I need 5 sites like Google, Gmail, YouTube, Facebook and Duolingo. So typing one by one. You can also copy the URLs from the browser address bar. Okay, I'm done with my 5 sites. Now simply File, Save As, and then remove txt. Type CMD and OK. Done. Now gonna test it. And firstly I need to close my Chrome as it is my default browser. Double click on the CMD file. Yes, as you can see that the browser is now loading with the sites I wrote. Every time you need to get all the websites in a click, you can click on the CMD file and this will work on your default browser. Mine is Google Chrome browser, so it's coming with the Chrome browser. You can edit the CMD file to get more sites added or removed an existing one. After editing, make sure that you have saved the file. So this is how you can get all your important and mostly used sites on your default browser loaded with a simple click. If you like this trick, then please smash the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.